Today, we're going to talk about a very important word when learning how to read. And that word is phonemes. Can you say phonemes? Phonemes are the individual sounds that we hear in words. And today, we're going to stretch out those sounds in words using our fingers. Are you ready? Let's go! Watch me as I finger stretch the word dog and listen for the sounds. Dog. Dog. I heard 3 different phonemes or sounds. Watch me as I finger stretch the word red and listen for the sounds or phonemes. Red. Red. I heard 3 different phonemes or 3 different sounds in the word red. Let's stretch the word bus. Say bus. Bus. How many sounds did you hear in the word bus? You heard 3? Yes, you are correct. There are 3 sounds in friends. Let's finger stretch the word hat and see how many sounds, how many phonemes are in the word hat. Say hat, hat. How many sounds did you hear, friends? How many different sounds are in the word bat? Say bat. Bat. How many sounds are in the word bat? Yes, you are correct. This is a picture of a dog. Finger stretch the word dog. 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 If you said the word dog has 3 different sounds, 3 different phonemes, you are correct. Great job. Okay, let's practice. Now, I want you to stretch the word cat. This is a picture of a cat. Say cat. Cat. If you said there are 3 different sounds or 3 different phonemes in the word cat, you are correct. One more word. Let's do the word bus. This is a picture of a bus. Say bus. Bus. If you said there are 3 different sounds in the word bus,